Hi, welcome to KV's Plants and Orchids. This is the black pepper plant which I am growing in my house. Here I am growing in a pot only. It has grown little bit up. Its scientific name is Piper nigrum. It is a perennial climbing vine of the family Peperaceae. It is native to Malabar coast of India and is one of the earliest spices known, widely used as spice around the world. Pepper is used in medicine as a carminative and as a stimulant of gastric secretion. Mostly it is used in cooking. It is a woody climber and it can reach height up to 10 meters. And it has some aerial roots. See, these are the aerial roots. With that they cling and they go up. And the leaves are arranged alternately. You could see here, like money plant leaves, no? That is how the leaves are arranged. And the big leaves are so big, and this is a tender leaf. And the pepper blooms appear towards the June month, and when they are not ripe, it will be in green color. Then it changes to yellow and then to red color. Then we dry them up and we make pepper. And the characteristic flavor is principally derived from the chemical piperine. The plant requires a long rainy season and fairly high temperature and partial shade for best growth. I hope this Mumbai climate is very good for our pepper plant, just like our native place. Actually, this plant was brought from my hometown, and I have brought it in a very small twig, because propagation can be done by cutting the stems. See, every node has roots like money plant. So we can grow by using the stem cuttings. That is the easiest method. And you can use the peppercorn also to grow, because when they are ripe, they will be in red in color and they fall down, and nearby the plant you will see lot of small seedlings appear. So if you didn't get the stem cuttings, you can always use the peppercorns for propagation. And fertilization is it likes organic fertilizer, and here I have given it, just this year I have given some sheep dung which I have bought, because some sheep rearers were going this nearby our house, so I purchased from them. Here it is available for per sack it is 100 rupees. So, but it was giving me more result than cow dung, because all the plant I put and all plants are showing very good growth. And pest attack is there, but here my plant is not having much problem. In big where they will cultivate in large scale, there will be many types of diseases occur for our pepper plant. There is some disease in which it starts to decay from the stem or whichever part the disease occurs. Then they have to remove the whole plant and from the place, so that it won't spread to other plant. And feed all types of varieties of diseases can occur to this plant. But here till now I don't had any problem, so I have not done anything. And organic soil, rich organic soil is used for potting growing this plant. And it doesn't like soggy soil. So it needs to have some sand also if you are growing in pot, so that the water should not be standing in the pot. It doesn't like soggy soil, root rot occur very fast. In our, usually when you plant a pepper plant, you need to give it a support. In our native place and all, we usually plant them nearby coconut trees. Here I have planted on nearby my coconut tree, but that is not growing fast like this. This has grown a lot. And here just before the monsoon season, I just kept it nearby the one of the pillar. So it's simply monsoon season, we won't come out and see, no. So I just kept nearby the pillar, and it just grew, and it is growing up. I don't know how, when it starts flowering, it will be difficult for me to collect the peppercorns, but still I am not doing anything. Let it grow first. Growing is more important. These are the tender leaves. And in this summer season, I water it regularly every day. Winter season also, since it likes moist soil, I have to water. There's some rainy season, I don't do anything. Twice in a year, you need to fertilize if it is in ground, but if it is, since I am potting in, I've kept it in pot, I fertilize every month. So actually last month only this sheepdom I have given. So this is how you grow a pepper plant. See the notes and all. Hope you like the video about the pepper plant. This is a black pepper plant. If you like the video, press the like button. If you are a first time viewer, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.